Victor Isibor here. Last week, a good friend of mine decided to quit his job as a banker. And I asked him why. He said that he had decided to become a full-time blogger. Like, are you meant? Are you okay? Are you serious? What's wrong with you? Why would you leave your 9 to 5, a top job in the banking industry, for the uncertainty of blogging? I mean, come on, wake up. Blogging is meant to be a side hustle. Then the guy told me that I should do my findings, that bloggers could potentially earn anywhere between $500 to $2,000 on a monthly basis. Now, that simple fact got me thinking. Okay. Then I had another question. Okay, what about consistency? What if you don't have anything to write about? So you're going to base your life on having to write content every time. What if you have a mental block and you don't have anything to write about? Then my friend got me on a Zoom call and he opened my eyes to things I never knew existed. And that is the information I'm going to share with you in this video. As you heard blogging, I know the first thing that came to your mind was, I don't have any passion for writing. I don't have the creativity. So how can I become a blogger? I mean, it's impossible. And that is the problem that this video is going to solve for you. I'm going to show you how you can continually create content for your blog on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis as you wish. Now, before I get into the video, there are two things you need to do by yourself. There is no video that is going to do for you all that you need to do. Now, two things you need to do. Number one, create a blog. You could do that on Blogger, WordPress, anywhere. Just choose which platform you want to use, then create a blog. Now, number two thing that you need to do is find a niche. Okay? Decide on a niche. What do you want to be writing about? What are you passionate about? Are you passionate about sports? Are you passionate about health and wellness? Are you passionate about travel? Decide. All right? Now that you have done those two things, okay, create a blog, find your niche, then I'm going to show you how you can continually generate content back to back to back to back without running out of content at all. Are you excited? Smash the like button for me if you're excited so that YouTube will know that this is a top quality video. Now, sit back, relax while I share my screen and wow you. Let's go. All right, guys. So this is the information that my friend gave to me, and I decided to come and share with you guys so that you can learn real quick. Now, go to blogger.com. We are on blogger.com right now, and it's a free resource for you to do what? Create your blog, right? You see where the arrow is? Create your blog, all right? When you create your blog, then the next thing that you need to do is decide on a niche. What do you want to be writing about? All right. See, there are so many ways to make legitimate money on the internet. And this friend of mine who just resigned from his lucrative 9 to 5 to take to blogging full time has opened my eyes to a lot of things. And I'm going to assume that you don't have any money yet, but you want to start blogging. And that's why I'm recommending blogger.com. Okay. Register an account on blogger.com. You would now be presented with an interface for you, okay, to start blogging. Look at it. It's not hard. It's blogger.com. Blogger.com. Let me spell it so that all of you will see it very well. Blogger.com. All right? You will sign via your Google. Sign up via your Google account. Now, the next question is, oh, I'm not literate enough now. I didn't go to enough school. I do not have flair for writing. I do not have this. I do not have that. A lot of excuses would come up to your mind. But relax your mind. We are in the era of artificial intelligence. I'm going to show you an artificial intelligence website that's going to enable you to kickstart your blog very fast. Okay? And you're going to keep having resources to put on your blog. All right? Then when you continue to blog over and over and over and over again, and you have the specified amount of articles, you can now apply for AdSense. Google will start putting advertisements on your blog and you will start cashing out. Okay? So after registering your Blogger account, the next thing you want to do is I'll take you to the secret artificial intelligence website that is going to be helping you with content creation. Now let's go. Now, the artificial intelligence website is cohesive.so. All right? Now, let me show you something. Yeah, just scroll down a little, keep going. Look at this. Full blog generator. Okay? Full blog generator. See what it wrote? It says fabulously easy. Whip up an SEO friendly blog for traffic. Okay? Whip up an search engine optimized friendly blog where traffic will be coming to. It is going to generate content for you that will bring people to your blog. Now I'm going to click on this full blog generator real quick and show you. All right. Now look at it. It says write a blog about anything at all in this world, whatever it is that is your niche. Just say it. Look at it. Look at it. It's even saying word count. How many do you want? Okay. So this will do the job for you. Now let me say about best holiday destinations in Africa. Let's say you are a travel blogger. All right. I'll press go. Go. See, it's writing. All right. Look at it. Table of content. He put it there for you. Introduction. Discover the wild wonders. Look at it. It's writing. All right. It is writing for you. It has put table of content. You know, it has now put introduction. It is now writing everything. All right. It is now writing everything. Look at it. Am I the one doing this writing? See, it's writing. So tell me, why are you not a blogger? My friend who left his job to become a blogger is the one that showed me this secret website. And you look at it, this is blogging for you. Wherever this thing stops, I don't know when it's going to stop, because it's got the way it's writing. I don't know whether it's going to stop today. But wherever it stops, it doesn't cost you anything. You do not need any skill to just copy these things that it has written. Bam. Take it to your blog and do what? Just paste it there. You have one article on your blog already. Then within your niche is going to be the one that is going to be dictating the kind of questions you are going to be asking this artificial intelligence robot to generate for you. Best travel, best holiday destinations in Africa is what is writing now. It's even saying next on our list, okay, is the Okavango Delta in Botswana. Imagine floating along pristine waterways surrounded by lush vegetation and plethora. When people will read this thing, they'll be saying, oh boy, Victor, a very good blogger. Oh, this guy is a very good blogger. But they don't know that you're not the one doing it. All right? Maybe your next article, after 1 week, let your readers, let them enjoy this article, this blog first. The next week now, you now talk about the best wildlife zoo in Zanzibar. It will still write for you. And do you know the beauty of this? See, it's still writing. I don't know when it's going to stop. Do you know the beauty of this? It came up with a topic. Look at it. Best holiday destinations in Africa. Table of content. It even prepared a table for you in the presence of your enemies who think that you cannot blog. It prepared a table. Introduction, discover the wild wonders, get lost in the majestic landscapes, like that. He even went to conclusion. Then he's writing it. So while it's writing it, I need to begin to wrap up this video, because in this video, I believe you have learned something valuable. I know that many of you are smashing the like button already, and many of you are sharing this video with people already. And you're subscribing if it's your first time already. That's all I ask of you. Okay? The first thing is get your blog on blogger.com. All right? Get your blog on blogger.com. Give your blog whatever name. You can say Victor Travels, depending on your favorite niche. You can even talk about football. Ask cohesive.so. It will bring up a write-up for you. The list of best Dutch players in history. Anything. When it writes it, copy it, paste it on your blog. If you want to personalize your writing, you can now take your time. Start looking at some of the words, changing them into your own personal style, how you like to write. If you have a flair for writing, if you don't, go ahead and paste it there, and gradually you will have enough publications on your blog. Apply for AdSense monetization, and ads will be placed on your blog, and before you know, you become a celebrity, you're making money, and you're beginning to climb up the ladder to start earning between $500 to $1,000 on a monthly basis. I like to drop my mic here. I remain Victor Isibor. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share for more. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.